step-by-step guide to make this cute top. To start, we are going to measure ourselves from side to side under the bust for the width of the blouse, and then from the collarbones to under the bust for the first ribbon, and from there to the length we want. We will need a measuring tape, a ruler, and some chalk. Take a screenshot so you can take your own measurements. We transfer this to our fabric and cut it out. I recommend poplin and linen, which is what I am using in this video, because they are lightweight. After cutting, we move on to sewing our straps. We fold them in half and sew 1 cm for the edge. We have to seal one side so we can turn it over later. Before turning it over, we have to trim the excess fabric for the corner so we have a nice finish. And now we turn the straps. Once we have turned the 3 straps over, we close them. This top. First, let's iron our fabric. Remember that the neckline has a 3 cm seam allowance. That is, first we fold 1 and then we fold 2. So that is wider and we can thread the strap through once it is sewn. First, we are going to sew the sides, and then the neckline and the bottom. Next, we mark the centimeters below the bust with chalk, and then, from below the bust, measure down 10 centimeters for the second strap. We sew this with our machine on a very loose setting. And then we pull one of the threads to gather the fabric. Next, check the width you decided on. And then pin the straps in place, folding them in half to find the center and position them in the middle of the top. Once in place, sew the straps. Make 2 seams on the edges of each straps. Once the 2 straps are sewn, attach the neck ribbon. And here is the result. It's super cute and super easy to make. I highly recommend it.